Good morning, students. Now, in the last video, I have already discussed with you the first endocrine gland, that is the pituitary gland. Clear? Now, the next endocrine gland found in human being, that is the pineal gland, right? Now, this pineal gland is located on the dorsal side of the forebrain, right? Again, I repeat, the pineal gland lies on the dorsal side of the forebrain, and this gland secretes melatonin. Clear? Melatonin pigment, or melatonin hormone. Clear? Melatonin plays very important role in regulation of a 24 hours rhythm of our body. Now, what is the meaning of this 24 hours rhythm? Means at what time you get up, at what time you sleep. There is a one biological cycle, and that is maintained by the melatonin, clear, hormone. Now, then your body temperature, that is also regulated by this, clear. Now, in addition to this, melatonin also influences metabolism of your body, pigmentation, means the color of your skin, the menstrual cycle, clear, and even your defense capabilities, means your immune system. So all these things are just regulated by the pineal gland. Now, the next is the thyroid gland. I just show you the diagram. This is your thyroid gland. Clear? If you will see, so this is the main thyroid gland. Clear? It is a two-lobe gland. At the back side, it is attached. Clear? Both the lobes are attached by this structure. Now, this thyroid gland is composed of two lobes, as I have shown you in the diagram, which are located on either side of the trachea. So, this is the trachea, beta. This one is trachea, windpipe, clear? And this gland lies on the both sides, clear? Then, the back side of this, as I have shown you, that is interconnected by a thin flap of connective tissue, and we call it isthmus. The thyroid gland is composed of follicles and stromal tissue, clear? Two type of things are there. You can say different type of tissues are there. One is follicles and other is stromal tissue, right? And if we talk about the follicles, it is composed of follicular cells, clear? The follicle tissue that is made up of follicular cells, right? And enclosing a cavity. In the follicular cells, there is a one cavity. These follicular cells, they secrete two type of hormones, or you can say two hormones. One is T4, we call it thyroxine, clear? And another is T3 hormone. So, follicular cells of the thyroid gland, they are secreting two type of hormones. One is T4 and T3, clear? And for the secretion of these hormones, iodine is very essential, clear? If there is a deficiency of iodine, then this thyroid gland will not work normally. So, this deficiency of iodine in our diet, it results in hypothyroidism. That is, this gland will not function normally and it becomes very large in size, clear? And we call this problem goiter. Understand, beta? Now, if there is means this gland is not working normally, or you can have the problem of goiter, then the pregnant ladies, means if the lady is pregnant, there is a deficiency of iodine, then the developing baby is mentally retarded. That embryo which is developing, mental, or you can say brain, is not properly developed, clear? It's so many other problems are there in that, right? Now, after that, if there is a cancer in the thyroid gland, clear, then the nodules are developed in the thyroid gland. तो गांठें सी बन जाती हैं, and hormone is increased. So naturally, when the number of cells are increased, then the secretions are also increased. Then there is one problem which is called hyperthyroidism. Hyper means hota bhi zyada. Now, and it naturally, if this hormone is secreted in large amount, then the physiology of the body is also affected, because thyroxine will control the fat, carbohydrate and protein metabolism, right? Now, this thyroid gland, or this hormone thyroxine, it also helps in the formation of red blood cells, right? It also helps in the formation of red blood cells. This hormone also controls the metabolism of, as I already told you, carbohydrate, protein and fat, clear? And it also helps to maintain, you can say, water and electrolyte balance of your body, clear, beta? Now, thyroid gland also secretes one protein which is called thyrocalcitonin. Clear? What we call it? Thyrocalcitonin, TCT. And this regulates the blood calcium level in the body. So this is about these two glands. Next we'll discuss in the next video. Okay, thanks and have a nice day.